大家好，欢迎你们来到 Examrace. Hello everyone, welcome to Examrace. Today we will study electric appliance words in Chinese. 现在开始吧 Let's start. 电视，电视，电视。It means television. 电视。电脑，电脑，电脑。It means computer. 电脑。电器，电器，电器。It means electrical appliance. 电器。电话，电话，电话。It means telephone. 电话。电池，电池，电池。It means battery. 电池。电影，电影，电影。It means film. 电影。电筒，电筒，电筒。It means torch. 电筒。电梯，电梯，电梯。It means elevator. 电梯。电线，电线，电线。It means wire. 电线。电扇，电扇，电扇。It means fan. 电扇。电源，电源，电源。It means charger. 电磁邮件，电磁邮件，电磁邮件。It means email. 电磁邮件。So, we have learned a lot of things in today's class. Now, let's revise it once. 电视，电视。It means television. 电视。电脑，电脑。It means computer. 电器，电器。It means electric appliance. 电话，电话。It means telephone. 电池，电池。It means battery. 电池。电影，电影。It means film. 电筒，电筒。It means torch. 电梯，电梯。It means elevator. 电线，电线 it means wire. 电扇，电扇 it means fan. 电源，电源 it means charger. 电子邮件，电子邮件 it means email. 好 now let's do some exercise. Question 1. What is computer? Right, 电脑. Question 2. What is telephone? Right, 电话. Question 3. What is torch? Right, 电筒. Question 4. What is fan? Right, 电扇. Question 5. What is elevator? Right, 电梯. So we all have performed very well in this class. Now see you all in next class. 再见。